Day 11 of Vlogmas is here. Just been home for a little while editing a video. And Charmaine has been making cabbage rolls all day and the house smells fantastic. That is if you like the smell of cabbage rolls. So we got a lot of cabbage rolls. And even some extra stuff. We had a cabbage roll casserole. Sort of like, just mix it all together in a pot. Throw in some cheese and you're good to go. Got a full moon tonight. What's going on, buddy? Oh, that's a sassy one. So this is going to be an extra short video tonight because I've got work to do, so I need to get back to it. But before I do that, I want to show you tonight's Christmas ornament. Well, here it is. This is the man-eating wreath from Disneyland. Now, if you've ever been to Disneyland over the holidays, they have the most fantastic overlay that takes place on the Haunted Mansion there, where Jack Skellington takes over. And this is from that. This was an ornament that we bought in Disneyland. And that is the best overlay. That's it. Like I said, short video, but Vlogmas Day 11. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.